Top 5 Most Read Articles of Week 28, 2020 on Paints and Coatings Expert. DSM to take over part of Clariant's 3D printing business portfolio to expand rapid market-driven product development solutions. DSM, a global purpose-led, science-based company in nutrition, health and sustainable living, and Clariant, a focused, sustainable and innovative specialty chemical company, announced today an agreement for DSM to take over certain parts of Clariant's 3D printing business portfolio. The agreement allows DSM to offer customers rapid product development iterations for filaments and pellets based on application needs. As additive manufacturing technology is increasingly adopted for industrial production, customers are looking for materials to match their existing product portfolio and production processes. The combination of DSM's filament and pellet capabilities and former Clariant 3D printing activities will be able to better serve those needs, bringing customers quick tweaking of high-performance filaments and pellets based on market needs. Antimicrobial coatings market to worth $5.6 billion by 2025 by Markets and Markets. According to the new market research report Antimicrobial Coatings Market, by Type and Region Global Forecast to 20,253, published by Markets and Markets, the global antimicrobial coatings market size is projected to grow from United States $3.3 billion in 2020 to United States $5.6 billion by 2025, at a CAGR of 10.7% between 2020 and 2025. The growth is attributed to the growing adoption of antimicrobial coatings across several industrial applications to ensure the utmost safety from the bacteria, pathogens, and other microbes. By type, the silver-based segment accounted for the largest share in the overall antimicrobial coatings market. It is used widely due to its properties, such as high efficacy rate, long-lasting effect, durability, and strength, among others. Also, the higher efficiency and low toxic nature compared to other types support the growth of the market. Also, increasing penetration in the medical and healthcare, protective clothing, food and beverage, and HVAC system applications. Sun Chemical and DIC Corporation to complete acquisition of digital inks business from Sensient Technologies Corporation. Sun Chemical and its parent company, DIC Corporation, have completed the purchase of 100% of the shares of Sensient Imaging Technologies and certain other assets related to the production of inks. The strategic investment in Sensient Imaging Technologies, a supplier of digital inks, will allow Sun Chemical and DIC to expand its inkjet ink capabilities and expertise using complementary technologies that will further strengthen the highest standards of services and solutions to its customers and distributor partners. The acquisition also underscores Sun Chemical's ongoing commitment to sustainability by expanding its offering of inkjet inks for textile and dye sublimation printing technologies, known for their improved sustainability profile. Inkjet is a strategic segment for Sun Chemical and DIC, and the investment in Sensient Imaging Technologies demonstrates Sun Chemical and DIC's commitment in the digital segment. Nouryon to build state-of-the-art hydroperoxide facility in Ningbo, China. The manufacturing facility is scheduled to be completed in the second half of 2021 and will have an annual capacity for 35,000 tons of TBHP/TBA. TBHP is an intermediate in Nouryon's organic peroxide production process and is also used as a polymerization initiator for coating resins and other products. TBA is a raw material used both for the production of organic peroxides and other specialty chemicals. Nouryon has entered into a long-term partnership with Nanjing Jinling Huntsman, which will provide raw materials for the new facility. Nanjing Jinling Huntsman will build a storage tank and loading station at its facility in Nanjing for transfer to Nouryon's Ningbo site. Price increase on oxygenated solvents applicable July 1, 2020 by Arkema. In order to sustain oxygenated solvents business, Arkema is obliged to increase prices. Arkema will increase oxygenated solvents product range prices from 70 to 120 euros per ton. The new prices is effective July 1, 2020 or as contracts allow. Depending on situation, new price adjustments could occur. Diacetyl alcohol, methyl isobutylketones, methiisobutylcarbinol, mesodyl oxide, hexylene glycol, hexasol and asaffron are concerned. Arkema's oxygenated solvents are mainly used in formulations and synthesis in various applications, such as fragrances, coatings, personal care, agrochemicals, pharmaceutical and mining. To learn more, visit www.paintsandcoatingsexpert.com.